Banana pancake, let's go. 2 tablespoons condensed milk, 1 banana sliced. See that? Ooh. 1 egg in. Ready. Cup and a half buttermilk protein pancake mix. Let's go. Let's go, my peeps. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. Mix it in. Mush, 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 mush. Get it in. Incorporate it. Ooh, look at that. Don't overmix. Don't overmix. Look at that. Nice consistency. Get your skillet. Eat it. Low heat. Alright, look at that. Ooh, all in. Monitor your flame. Don't burn your pancakes. Look at that. So nice. End result. Blueberry pancake syrup. Ah, we got our pancake egg sandwich. Oh, power food in the morning. Let's go, YQ Health. Let's go, Lethbridge. Let's go, my Garden Parish fams. Let's go, Hellfire. Look at that breakfast. And he's off to a good start. And here we go. And here we go. Where did all that sound?